An intensive sandstorm engulfed Dunhuang City of northwest China's Gansu province on Sunday, hampering visibility, disrupting traffic, and forcing authorities to shut down major expressways and issue a sandstorm warning. Dramatic footage showed a massive sand wall, with elevations of a few dozen meters tall, building up behind the expressway toll station of Dunhuang West. Visibility in part of the Liuyuan-Golmud Expressway, which connects Gansu and its neighboring Qinghai Province, plunged to less than 50 meters. Local weather authorities issued a yellow warning for a sandstorm, while local traffic police conducted patrols on the expressways to keep vehicles off the roads. Multiple expressway entrances near toll stations were temporarily closed.
路面车辆驶出高速，路面车辆驶出高速，下高速，下高速，下高速。
Dunhuang is home to the Mogao Grottoes, a renowned UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasting rich collections of Buddhist artwork, including more than 2,000 colored sculptures and 45,000 square meters of murals, in 735 caves along a cliff.